Hey friends, welcome back to Tech with Ryder. Today we're going to talk about the most necessary dependencies of an Express project that are Morgan, Helmut, and the last one is compression. Now let's install this dependency, then we will go through each one. npm install. Okay, now open our project and add middleware here. We will add app u Morgan. I need to import Morgan here. Require Morgan. Okay. Def app. Okay, I will change this one to app. Is Morgan size. So in server.ts we need to change it to app Express to avoid conflict. Okay. So now I will run the server Jan dev. Okay. You can see now when we call the API, we have an API here, right? So when we call the API 3000. Oh, I'm sorry. And fine. You can see here, now we have an output here that made by Morgan. Let's comment Morgan middleware and try it again. Nothing will be happen, right? I mean, nothing will be displayed here because we command the Morgan middleware. So now open it again. And when we call any API or we request anything to server, the Morgan dependency will log log the information. With Morgan, we have several predefined log formats. That is def, common, combined, short, or tiny. Yeah. Let's try it. You can see with the def log format, we have HTTP method that is get, right? The path, the API path. Let me change something here for more easier for you to imagine. I have a product. Okay, so I call the product. You can see here we have a path, API path, right? That's the slash products. And the next one is HTTP code, and the next one is time skill. Okay, so with the common or combine, almost are the common and combine almost are the same. You can see here it will display more information from Apache. We will log more information. With short and tiny, the log information will less than def, common, and combined. Let's check it. You can see the information log here will be less than the combine or common, right? In developed environment, I recommend you use def. Okay, and the next one we will talk about the Helmut dependency. So now I declare helmet here and require helmet of you helmet. You know, the helmet dependency will allow us to modify the HTTP header and hidden some sensitive data. I mean, it will help us to hidden some sensitive information like this one. Now I will comment out helmet dependency. I don't use it at this time, right? And check it. Oh, okay. We need to change the port number. Okay. Product. Just something here for more correct. App.js. Hello world. Now open the network and reload the page. You can see here in the response header, it's so Express NodeJS Express framework, right? So attacker will know this information, then they will find out the vulnerabilities of Express, then they will use it to attack application. Okay, so the best way is we should hidden the sensitive information like this one, and helmet will help us do that outside of. Okay, now open it and run the website again. You can see here in the response header there is no Express information display here, right? Outside of it, it will add a lot of HTTP response header, and it will have our application to avoid XSS attack or CORS attack and other common web vulnerabilities. Now let's talk about the last dependency, that's the compression. Come back to here and declare a variable compression. Require compression. Okay, let's add it in middleware. Okay, so back to the website. In the response header, you will see a new attribute that's the content encoding. There is nothing here. There is no content encoding. Oh, maybe the reason is the content is too small. So content encoding doesn't work here. That make it bigger. So in here I will repeat like 100,000 times and reload it again and check it. You can see here in response headers we have content encoding that is gzip. Okay, so now I will comment out. I don't want to use compressed dependency and reload the page again. You can see here the size is 1.1 megabyte, but after let's see the size after we use compression dependency. You can see the size now is only 3 kilobyte. It's reduced a lot. The main reason is we are using gzip to compress the response to client. That is the main reason why we reduce the response size a lot. That's all I want to share with you about 3 dependency. It's very important in our Express project, Morgan, Helmet, and compression. And in the next video, we're going to talk about environments and how we can connect with database in Express project. So see you in the next video.